What's cooking, everybody? Have you ever used store-bought chili oil and it was always just lacking that authentic spicy flavor that you're looking for? Well, today we're going to be making the best homemade chili oil, simple and absolutely game-changing to your kitchen. Let's get started. For our ingredients, we'll need Sichuan Chili Powder, red pepper flakes, fine and coarse, star anise, Sichuan Peppercorn, cloves, sesame seeds, fennel seeds, and some oil to tie it all together. In a heat-proof bowl, we're going to add equal amounts coarse and fine Asian red pepper flakes, 1/3 cup each. And then we're going to add 1/4 cup of Sichuan Chili Powder, and this is what's really going to give it that authentic flavor. I really enjoy using this mix of 3 different peppers, but you can just use the Sichuan Chili Powder if you want. Quick little mix, then set it to the side. Now for the fragrance, there are many spices that you can use for this part, but these 4 are the best. 2 beautiful pieces of star anise, a teaspoon of Sichuan Peppercorn, half a teaspoon of Fennel Seeds, and 2 cloves. Are 4 elements needed to create that wonderful, bold flavor and balance. Let's get to business. Get your favorite saucepan on the stove nice and hot. Pour in 2.5 cups of neutral oil and let it heat up. Then on a low heat, throw in our spices and let this carefully simmer for about 10 minutes. Give it a gentle stir every now and then and ensure that nothing burns. Once the flavors are fully absorbed, strain out the spices. If your strainer is too big for the pot, just transfer it into another pan. Nicely toasted, as you can see from the fennel seeds. Transfer it back, and let it heat up a bit, but not to the point of smoking. Let's get sizzling. Gently pour in just 1/3 of our oil into our chili mixture. Be sure to mix as soon as possible. Using only 1/3 of non-smoking oil will ensure that this doesn't burn instantly, carefully preparing this for the next batch of oil. For our final ingredient, 1.5 tablespoons of sesame seeds, and this will add the perfect last touch of aroma. Mix it in, then it's back to the oil. Now we're going to get our oil extremely hot to the point of smoking. You want to be able to see visible trails of light smoke and bubbles when you put your chopsticks in. The grand finale, carefully pour in the rest of the oil and watch the beautiful eruption. Now mix this until the sizzling subsides. Enjoy the irresistible scent of spicy, sizzling aroma filling your kitchen. Well deserved. Let this cool down significantly, and you'll see our newborn, beautiful chili oil, luscious red. What better way to test it out than with some amazing Baobei homemade dumplings with a drizzle of our freshly made chili oil. Look at this beautiful dumpling touched by our amazing oil. First of all, Baobei homemade dumplings, absolutely incredible. Keep a lookout for a video on this in the future. And as for our chili oil, such a vibrant spicy flavor. It's not too spicy, just enough to give it a very pleasant kick. Good depth of flavor with all the different fragrances that we were cooking in the oil makes the world of a difference. Absolutely wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. You can spice up anything you need with this. Dumplings, rice, noodles, vegetables. The list is absolutely endless. On the next episode, I'm going to show you how to use this oil to make the most incredible mapo tofu,
one of my favorite Chinese dishes. So be sure to chop that like button, subscribe, stay tuned, and thanks for watching.